Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sabir Sonari. Now I will answer two interview questions. The first question is, what is database connection pooling in PostgreSQL and why it is preferred over opening a new client connection for every request? Database connection pooling means creating and maintaining a reusable group or pool of PostgreSQL connections. When an application receives a request, it borrows an available connection from the pool, executes the query, and then releases the connection back to the pool. The connection is not permanently closed, so it can be reused by another request. Opening a completely new PostgreSQL connection for every incoming request is inefficient because establishing a connection requires time and server resources. PostgreSQL must perform network communication, authentication, session initialization, and memory allocation. If hundreds of requests create separate connections at the same time, the database may become overloaded. A connection pool limits the number of active connections and allows requests to share them efficiently. It improves response time, reduces connection overhead, and protects the database from receiving too many simultaneous connections. For example, a Node.js application using PG package will normally use pool instead of creating a new client for every request. The pool automatically manages available, active, and waiting connections. Therefore, connection pooling provides better performance, resource management, and reliability and scalability for a Postgre application. The second question is, what are the main differences between SQL such as PostgreSQL and NoSQL such as MongoDB regarding schema design and scaling? The main differences between PostgreSQL and MongoDB can be understood through their data structure, schema design, relationships, and scaling methods. PostgreSQL is a relational SQL database. It stores data in tables containing rows and columns. PostgreSQL normally follows a structured schema, meaning that the columns, data types, constraints, and relationships are defined before data is inserted. For example, in an e-commerce application, customers, products, and orders may be stored in separate but related tables. These tables can be connected using primary keys, foreign keys, and joins. The structured design provides strong data consistency and is suitable for applications where relationships and data integrity are important, such as banking, financial systems, inventory management, and enterprise applications. PostgreSQL also supports ACID transactions, which help ensure that database operations are completed reliably. MongoDB, on the other hand, is a document-oriented NoSQL database. It stores data in flexible JSON-like BSON documents. Documents within the same collection do not always need to contain exactly the same fields. This makes MongoDB useful when the data structure changes frequently or when an application needs rapid development. For example, instead of storing customer and order information in multiple related tables, MongoDB may store related information together inside a single document. This reduces the need for complex joins, although it may result in some data duplication. Thank you.